waiting right now. Pilota. Sa Italian ay pilota ang pilot. Pilota. Yan. So, parang Manila Bay lang din guys yung dagat nila dito. Sobrang brownish din. So, brownish din yung dagat nila. So, sana malinaw ang ating video guys. So, didikit na yung pilot. So, ganito yun guys, paano how is the pilot maneuvering also. So, hindi makadikit yung pilot kasi nga sobrang pero alam ko ang bababa yung pilot dun pa sa unahan The pilot is going to that side. So mahangin talaga guys, napakahangin, super hangin at hindi ko alam kung malinaw yung ko. Is there anyone watching right now? Is it clear or not? Yeah, someone is watching right now. I don't know if it's clear or not. Sorry for my video, but let's see. Alright guys. So that's the pilot escorting the cruise ship going to the borderline. Yeah. So when we reach the border, then the pilot going down through this pilot boat. I don't know if it's clear that I am using only the SIM card for my live. Hopefully it's clear. So currently we are here in Ravenna, Italy guys. So the ship is moving right now. The ship is moving right now. And it's escorted with the pilot boat because the pilot is on board. So from the port, the pilot is the one who gives the command maneuvering going outside the borderline. So as you can see the cruise ship, also the other side. Alright guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Yeah, so we are in Italy guys. So imagine that, see, almost all the port, the color of the seawater is brownish, like Manila Bay, like Manila. Manila Bay is the most worst one. It seems like Cuba. So I don't know guys if my live is clear, but I'm sorry for the wind. It's a windy. I don't have the filter right now.